Say hi, Sebastian. Hi guys, welcome to another It's Project Time video. This is my baby boy, Prince Sebastian, who's always at my side if I'm working or doing anything else. This is my little shadow. Today I'm actually going to be working on another custom jacket. It's going to have some denim components. So I'm doing it the lazy way because it's late. So I wanted to at least get it started. I'm in my room, which again is the lazy way, but I was working on other stuff. And poor Sebastian was ready for bed. So let's pan on over, see what we got. So this is an actual coat liner that I got actually at the Goodwill. It was for $2. And the rest of the coat was like in really bad shape. So I just bought the lining. So I like the actual pattern on it, and it does zip up, so I'm actually going to maintain that. So my plan is to redo the sleeves with some denim. I'm probably going to do a couple different shades of denim. So I'm going to do this particular wash, and I believe I might even do some white. Not sure because of the texture here. I might just go with all dark. Not sure. I'm going to cut it out and see. So this one, I'm going to do a Ralph Lauren branding. And of course I have my little scraps. So I have dark denim, some medium denim. I've got some, all kinds of stuff in there, right? So I'm going to just turn it over so you can see. So the actual line of this actual jacket was called Fleet Street Petite. So I'm actually going to take the blue patch off and replace it with the Ralph Lauren logo, which is going to be right here. My other denim jacket came out really, really well. So it's just something new I'm trying with the upcycled denim actual jacket look. So I'm really excited about it. Hopefully I will be able to finish it by the weekend. Not sure yet, but at least wanted to let you guys know what the latest project is I'm working on. The other thing I worked on today was I had a goal to do 20 waist beads, actually add them to my newest collection to post those. And I did post them earlier, so hopefully you guys were able to take a look at those. So I met my goal for 20, and because I have tons and tons of beads, I'll probably do like a New Year's kind of sale, help you guys get summer body ready, and then some for myself. So wish me luck. This is my newest project. I wish I had more of this actual fabric because I actually have a pair of boots I wanted to do, but I'll be really excited if this actual coat lining project comes out really nice. So see you soon.